Hello guys, so welcome again to my channel. So in today's video is we're gonna be doing another unboxing since I got something from a brand. So I only purchased one and I've had this box for 2 weeks now, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And yep, I bought something from Dior, and let's unbox this together. Since I get so excited when I receive this, so I've already unboxed this, but for the sake of this video, then we will be pretending that yeah, I'm unboxing it in front of you guys. So the ribbons are already off. So I've purchased this online, but even though you've purchased it online, you will always receive the complete package. You will have the box, whatever items that you buy from them, I believe you will always get the complete set. So you will have a paper bag. That's why I've got this paper bag, even though I've purchased it online. I got a box for the item and this ribbon right here with its star. It's really, and it says pure. You will also receive these ones right here, like a lot of papers. Let me just show this to you one by one. So the first one we've got right here is the client service center. And then I believe what's in here are the exchange stickers, like return stickers. There you go. Shipping labels and delivery slips. I'm not sure if it's, I never really checked this thoroughly. Normally in the receipts it won't show how much you paid for it. I guess you can always only access those on the website, you know. You just log in or check your emails. And then they've got this card right here. And it says, in matters of elegance, details are of essential importance, said Christian Dior. And yeah, I think it's handwritten. I'm not even sure because it's pen, but it looks too perfect. You know what I mean? And then and then another one right here. It says, "We hope you are delighted with your Dior purchase." And last but not the least is another card right here. This can't be a authenticity card because I don't think shoes has authenticity card, but this is what I've got. It's so washed off, sorry guys, because of the ring light. It says here, you have just purchased a pair of your shoes and we thank you, and a lot of things like that. So that's it. Then here, let's do the unboxing. So it's too white plus the ring light, so it's washed off. So that's the box right there. And so you got the paper bag, those papers, and the box, as well as the dust bag. So I've got two pairs, how do you say that? Two dust bags of each pair. So I always end up not using them because they're too pretty. And look at this, it's super white. I don't want to get this dirty. So let me know in the comment box section if you're like me, ended up not using their dust bag and just lying there in the cabinet collecting dust. So I'm guilty because most of the time, all of the time, if I really need to wrap my shoes, I use the shopping bag from the brands that I bought my clothes from. They have this like Ziploc bag, so I use those because it's faster, I guess. Unlike this, like I have to wash it and it's just a waste if I and it's so white. Okay, so we have here what's going on in here. So I got the Dway toe pump. I've got gold and black. So gold and black. So I chose this color because first of all, it's really pretty, even though it looks really festive. And it looks nice on my when I wear it. My skin color doesn't look really dark because I've tried the dark blue and it doesn't translate well with my skin tone. Just my feet really looks crusty and ugly, but not with this one right here. That's why I bought it, because if they don't have this color, then I'm not gonna just, you know, buy stuff that I don't like just for the sake of having a high-end shoes. You know what I mean? It should look good, and I should be happy with the purchase because it's not cheap. So this is how the sandal here looks. I've tested this in Neiman Marcus. It's the first time I've seen the color, and like I've said, it translates well with my skin color. So I almost I almost bought it from the store from Neiman, but they don't have my size. My size is 6.5, and it's a true to size sandal. Unless you have a wider feet, then can get away you can get away with size 7. But then the wider, or the bigger the shoe size is, then this side right here will get wider. And keep in mind that this bottom right here is a bit slippery, so your feet always ends up pushing forward. So this one right here, this strap will be your stopper. The wider it gets, then your feet's gonna fall off this um, part right here. Just keep that in mind. And then this is the bottom right here. Okay, first is, let me show you the front. It's really pretty. I know this is not a daily kind of heels, but I just love it. It's just pretty. I like gold and black. And then what else? There you go. Then the heels. It's some mess. And then the heels. The heels looks like this. It's a square heels, the bottom, and that one right there. It's a velvety texture on the bottom, and you can, let me see, let me adjust the camera because it's so washed off. There you go. It's really pretty. It's really, really, really pretty. But you know, my question is, since I have not used this one yet, I wonder if this color right here will stay. You know, this prints right here, because it doesn't look like it's gonna stay, but we shall see. And I'm always afraid I might peel this section right here, because I've had shoes before that similar to this kind of material, but not high end. You know, it's just a regular local brands from the Philippines, and they always end up peeling on this side right here. I hope this one will not do that. And this tag right here, if I remove it, then it means I'm keeping it, but I don't have any plans of returning this because I really need a good high heel for summer. So I am absolutely keeping this. And again, it's a true to size heels. One more thing, I'm not sure if you can search the item by checking this information right here, but maybe it will. SKU. There you go. I went to the store one time. Like I've said, did I mention it? I don't know. I'm so all over the place. So I went to Neiman Marcus, and they don't have my size, but I want a shoe. It's either I'll bring it home or nothing at all. So I said, okay. The sales lady offered to order it online in Neiman, but I said no. I'm gonna go to Dior store, like the real boutique, and see if they have it. But they don't have it. So I've waited, and I couldn't find it in the store. I even went to San Jose, out of my like an hour drive from my place, and still they don't have it. Oh, they have it, but in a flat, like the flat one. I don't like the flat one because it's too flat. And then they offered me to order it for me. I said no, and then looks like the sales guy said, okay, I hope you find the shoes. Then I just keep looking on the website, and a couple of days after, like constantly checking, it went available. So I just purchased it because, you know, I just need high heels. And it's really pretty. that's the unboxing there. I only purchased one because we are not rich. We can only afford one. But to be honest, guys, I think I mentioned it. There are words that I keep repeating or lines that I keep repeating, but I will keep repeating it again and again. So when it comes to Dior sandal, if they didn't have that black and gold color, then I will not buy anything from them, especially the anything. I will not buy a taupe Dway pump from them. It's because first is the classic one, even though it's classic, but if it doesn't look nice on my feet, if my feet doesn't look nice when I wear it, then I'm not gonna be happy, and it's just a waste of money because I will not be ending using it, you know, as much as I want to use it. I didn't even mention the price. It's gonna be on the description box, but for a shoes that's worth almost like 1,000, it's just too much. But I'm happy. So that's it, guys. So see you on my next post. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have um shoes from them, if you have the flat one or the heeled ones. The heeled one doesn't really look like a daily use color, but it's okay. I just need heels in case I have a, you know, dinner with friends and you need an open shoes, fancy heel. So that's why I got it. But I have a strong feeling that these shoes will not be used that much. So whatever. So see you on my next post, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe because I am trying my best to upload every Friday. So see you next Friday, guys. Bye.